6 pupils! Welcome to EdPodcast, where you can listen to educational podcasts, read, and comprehend to improve your learning. I'm teacher Lizelle, and today we're talking about something quick, loud, and kind of funny. Is sneezing. Why do we sneeze? And what's really happening inside our body when we do? Teacher Rose is here to read the story for us. Teacher Rose, are you ready to help us understand this sneezing mystery?
Absolutely, Teacher Lozelle. Let's read and listen closely together. Follow the words on your screen and stay focused. Sneezing happens when our body tries to remove something irritating inside the nose. Do you know, class, what's the special name for sneezing? The special name for sneezing is sternutation.
Sterno what? That's a fancy word for such a funny sound.
It sure is, but sneezing is serious work for your body. It's how your nose protects you.
So, it's not just noise. It's a defense move.
Yes, but how does a sneeze happen? When your nose gets tickled, the brain gets a message. Then, many body parts work together. Your tummy muscles, your chest, your throat, and even your eyelids.
Wait, my eyelids help me sneeze?
Yes, Teacher Lozelle. They close fast to protect your eyes. Do you notice? Sneezing is a full body team effort.
That's wild. Even my vocal cords join in?
Absolutely. And a sneeze can blast out at 161 kilometers per hour. It pushes out the irritant like dust, pepper, or pollen.
Wow, that's faster than a car on the highway.
Yes, exactly, Teacher Lozelle. Your body wants that irritant out fast and strong.
No wonder sneezes feel so powerful, Teacher Rose.
Yes, but do you know that some people sneeze when they see bright sunlight? This is called a photic reflex. If your sneeze ever gets stuck, try looking at a bright light.
That's a cool trick. So sunlight can help unstick a sneeze?
Absolutely yes, Teacher Lozelle. Your brain reacts to light and helps finish the sneeze.
I'm trying that next time I feel sneeze hiding. Alright, so let's look back at what we learned today. We discovered that first, sneezing helps remove irritants from the nose. Second, the fancy word for sneezing is sternutation.
Yes.
The third one, many body parts work together to make a sneeze. Fourth, a sneeze can blast out at 161 kilometers per hour. And lastly, bright light can help trigger a stuck sneeze.
That's a lot of sneezy science, Teacher Lozelle.
Yes, Teacher Rose.
Take a moment to think. What part surprised you the most?
For me, Teacher Rose, it was the eyelids helping out. I never knew they were part of the sneeze team.
Oh really? Right?
Yeah.
It shows how smart your body is. Even a sneeze needs teamwork.
And today, your brain worked hard again. It read, listen, and learn. Just like with diving and pain.
Yes, our brain is amazing. It sends messages, remember facts, and help you stay safe.
Alright, so pupils, that's the end of our podcast. Thanks for sneezing into science with us today. Keep your minds curious and your noses clear. See you next time on EdPodcast.